see YouTube as a kind of scrapbook for me, showing my life at its most extravagant stages when we're traveling and when I'm showing the coolest outfits in my wardrobe, but I rarely show my daily life. It's definitely more boring than usual content on here, but I thought maybe I could show a few little romanticized snippets of my life and just get the whole experience in this little scrapbook I have right here. Therefore, in this video, I want to make some good food, I want to talk about some books that I've read recently, and shop a little bit. Right now, I just had breakfast and some chai tea, so now I'm going to go with my mom and we're going to go to Goodwill to try to find some cool find. I'm going to Iceland soon, which I'm really excited about. We're going to see so many waterfalls and glaciers and just otherworldly terrain, and I don't really have outfits for that. At least cute ones, so I'm going to go to Goodwill and try to find something that I can wear there. I'm gonna hurry up and get ready, so let's go. This is my little outfit. Everything is from the thrift store, pretty much as usual. Also, I have my cute little earrings. I found treasures. I did not film more in Goodwill. I felt so weird. I was filming myself for maybe like 2 seconds and then people were looking at me and I got really uncomfortable. So, sorry. I did find 3 lovely items from Goodwill, and I also arrived to find that my Lacemade package is here. So I'll do a little haul on these items from Goodwill, and then I'll also show the Lacemade items I got. So first of all, I'm gonna save the best for last for the Goodwill stuff. We have this gorgeous plaid skirt. It is down to the floor maxi length and it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm doing some back to school outfits pretty soon just because I'm going into my senior year of college, and I think these are going to be really cool to style. The brand is Liz Baker and I got it for $5.99. Next we have this beautiful blouse. It is so pretty. I love the beautiful embroidery right here. You can see the pretty rose. I could definitely put together a cute little like New England prep outfit with this. It's so gorgeous, and the brand is Next Petite, and I also got this for $5.99, but I got it on some percentage off. Lastly, for the Goodwill stuff, this is pretty awesome. It is this beautiful coat. It's this beautiful like wine color, and it's exactly what I've been looking for fall. It was $20, which I normally don't spend when I'm at a thrift shop, but it was just so gorgeous. I had to get it. It is genuine leather with a polyester lining, and the brand is Worthington. Very excited for this find. Next, on to the Lacemade items. Lacemade is such a pretty brand. I love all of their clothes. They have beautiful frilly dresses and corsets and so many things that I just love wearing. I bought 3 items since they were having a 3-item sale for 25% off. And along with that, because I spent a certain amount of money, I also got a free gift, so I'll show that first. This was the free gift. I have this cute little frilly pillow. It came with this cute little sleep mask. So the first item I bought was this beautiful corset. It's so pretty. I love the beautiful floral design, and it feels very structured. It also has an invisible zipper right here so that you can easily get in and out without having to deal with the corset in the back. Sorry, it's starting to rain, so that's why it's getting a little bit darker. I don't remember exactly how much I spent on each item, but I know that the grand total was about $170. I will say, if you're thinking about buying anything from Lacemade, definitely size up at least 1 size. Their measurement chart is pretty spot on. All of my items fit me perfectly, so as long as you stick to the measurement chart, it should be okay. The second item I got was this beautiful skirt. It came with red ribbons and white ribbons, so you can adjust the length of the skirt and make it really cute and like ruffly. I love how adjustable everything is. Also, I love the eyelets and this pretty ruffle and this design at the end. It always reminds me of like Edwardian undergarments. Lastly, for this little haul, we have the most beautiful dress. Look at this. I'm going to feel like a true Rococo royal in this. Oh my gosh. I love the beautiful print. I love how structured the waist is. I love that the bow is detachable as well. I definitely need to iron it since it has been in a box for a couple of weeks now. That is all I have for that little haul for you today. It is raining heavily right now. I was thinking about going on a walk with my boyfriend who just got home from work, but that's obviously not going to happen. So we're probably just gonna hang out and watch a show or two, and yeah, we'll see where the night brings us.
There's no use getting upset over it, but we did have it.
Hey loves, we're going to make some gyros. So Julian's over here, say hi. He's cutting the meat and I'm going to cut the vegetables. I'm gonna get tomatoes, onions. Do we have avocado?
No.
No avocado. Tzatziki, and we got some pita bread the other day. Little tzatziki fiend.
Oh yeah. Well, I don't, okay?
Do you not talk to the people on the playground? Or?
It's a new day. It's been raining pretty much all day. The one time that the rain stopped, I did go outside and go on a quick walk. But other than that, I've been having a peaceful day. Lots of reading, lots of hanging out. I am currently reading The Picture of Dorian Gray by Oscar Wilde. I've really been enjoying it. I'm only halfway through, but I think we're towards the point where, like, figuratively it feels like he's running to jump off the cliff. That's kind of what I'm imagining in my mind. He's kind of going into his insanity right as we speak. If you haven't already read this book, basically the premise is our main character Dorian sells his soul to be beautiful and youthful, and only a portrait that he has posed for shows his sins, which I'm still not sure exactly what that entails since I am only halfway through. But I'm just really interested and I really love the writing style. I am only halfway through the book. I feel like I can't really talk about it that much, but I will say that this book really feels like I could reread it a couple of times and really just get into the meat of it even more. I'm going to at least read a chapter or two the rest of the night, and yeah. Another book I read this month was The Outsiders. I feel like most people read this in like middle school, junior high school, but I never did for some reason. My boyfriend, he did read it in junior high school, and it was one of his favorite books when he was younger, so I thought I'd pick it up and just read it. I feel like this is a really good intro into the themes surrounding class consciousness, and I really liked all the character dynamics. Of course, it isn't the highest reading level in this little selection I have here, but I did really enjoy it and I'm glad that I could read it even though I'm not in high school anymore. The last book I read this month was The Stranger by Albert Camus. Now, the book I read before this was The Secret History by Donna Tartt, and her writing style is obviously very descriptive and beautiful, and I went straight into Albert Camus's simplistic, I went to the beach was fun kind of writing style, and I don't know, I think that kind of gave me literary whiplash. Regardless, I did enjoy this book. It is a philosophical fiction novel and it follows a man who gets drawn into a senseless murder. This book was revolutionary for its time. It was written in the 1940s by a French author, and it kind of put the philosophy of absurdism into words. I am deeply simplifying this, of course, but absurdism is the belief that the world is completely random and irrational and there is no line between morality and immorality. The author finds interesting ways to show this belief through storytelling, and with a great yearning for knowledge, I'm really glad I picked up this book. I feel like all of the media I consume is either very nihilistic or existential, so I'm happy that I got to learn a little bit about absurdism. Anyway, that is all for these books. I'm going to continue to read this one and just have a nice rest of my night.